What is transparency in AI to combat bias? Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence systems make decisions? Transparency in artificial intelligence is all about being open and clear about how these systems work. It includes how they gather and use data, how their algorithms reach conclusions, and how these processes affect users and society at large. When we talk about transparency, we mean making the workings of artificial intelligence understandable and accessible to everyone involved, from users to developers. This openness builds trust, ensures fairness, and allows for accountability. In the fight against algorithmic bias, transparency plays a vital role through several key practices. First, we have data transparency. This means documenting where the data used to train artificial intelligence models comes from. It is important to explain how the data was collected and processed, as well as why certain data was included or left out. This practice helps identify and prevent biased or incomplete data from influencing the outcomes of artificial intelligence. Next, we have algorithmic transparency. This involves explaining how artificial intelligence algorithms operate, including the reasoning behind their decision-making processes. Using explainable artificial intelligence techniques can help make these decisions interpretable. This way, users can understand why a specific result was generated. Another important aspect is bias prevention and disclosure. Regularly checking artificial intelligence models for biases is essential. Organizations should openly communicate the methods they use to detect and address bias. Keeping records of these efforts ensures that users are aware of the steps taken to enhance fairness and reduce discrimination. Interaction transparency is also crucial. It is important to clarify how artificial intelligence interacts with users, what information it utilizes, and the limitations of its outputs. This allows users to critically assess the results generated by artificial intelligence. Lastly, we have social transparency. This addresses the broader impact of artificial intelligence on individuals and society. It includes considerations of fairness, ethical standards, and compliance with regulations. Ensuring that artificial intelligence aligns with societal values is essential for ethical practices. By adopting these transparency practices, organizations can lower the risk of biased outcomes in artificial intelligence. This approach helps build user confidence and supports ethical use of artificial intelligence. For example, in tools like Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, DALL-E, or Midjourney, transparency helps users understand how these models generate text or images. It also clarifies what data influences their outputs and how potential biases are managed. Productivity plugins that integrate artificial intelligence can also benefit from transparency by clearly communicating how suggestions are generated and ensuring they do not perpetuate unfair biases. Overall, transparency is key to opening the black box of artificial intelligence. It enables users and developers to identify sources of bias, improve fairness, and encourage responsible applications of artificial intelligence.